Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's GK session. Today we will start our new lesson number 28, Plants as Medicines. Lesson number 28, Plants as Medicines. Okay, let's start. Plants have been used for medicinal purposes since time immemorial. Here, what is the meaning of immemorial? Very old. And to this day, many of the important and familiar remedies originate. Here, meaning of remedies is a medicine or treatment for a disease or injury, and meaning of originate is have a specified beginning. In plants, okay, their components possess a range of beneficial preventive. Here preventive means a medicine or other treatment designed for ill health properties. They show many promising effects for various health problems such as colds you know very well, coughs you know very well, and throat irritation. What is the meaning of throat irritations? Means dry cough, etc. Identify the following medicinal plants and write their names. Students, here we have some pictures of medicinal plants and also having some descriptions. Okay, we have to find the name of the medicinal plant. Now, first one is the fruits and the powder made from the seeds of this tree are used for controlling diabetes. And what is the name of this medicinal plant? Jamun. Okay, jamun's fruits and the powder made from the seeds, okay, of this tree are used for controlling diabetes. Jamun. Okay, second one is extract of the leaves of this very familiar tree helps cure diarrhea, dysentery and constipation. And what is the name of this tree? Bell. Okay, bale. Bale tree helps cure diarrhea, dysentery and constipation. Now third one is it was used during Middle Ages to treat bubonic. What is the meaning of bubonic here? Means a very infectious disease spread by rats causing swelling, fever and usually death. Okay, plague. And now in modern times, herbal teas are made from this plant for loss of appetite and indigestion. And the name of this plant is blazed thistle. Blazed thistle. Okay, now fourth one. The trees of this the leaves of this tree are used to cure eye sores. Its gum is used as a tonic and also used in toothpaste. And what is the name of this medicinal plant? Amla. Okay, amla. Now, fifth one is the leaves, bark and fruits of this tree have antibiotic and antibacterial properties. And what is the name of this tree? Neem tree. Okay, neem tree. Now, look here, what is written over this corner? Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani systems of medicines, okay, have more than 90% formulations which are plant based. Okay, which are plant based. Now move to our next lesson, that is lesson number 29, facts about India. Okay, students, facts about India. Here, what is the meaning of fact? Fact, a thing that is known or proved to be true. Okay, now let's begin. India is a vast country and among the top developing nations in the world. It has a lot of diversity. What is the meaning of diversity? Variety in languages, customs. Customs means a common way of doing things, traditions, and many other things. Read the given table showing some facts about India. Students, here we have a table and facts about India. Here we have some facts about India. Okay, let's start. First one is capital. Capital, New Delhi. Okay, what is the capital of our country? New Delhi. Now, second is area. Area is 32,87,263 square kilometer. What is the area of our country? 32,87,263 square kilometer. Okay. Now third is location. India extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north. It is a country of the east with its landmass lying between longitudes 68 degrees 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minute east. Okay, now stretch means expanse of land or water. Okay, that is 3,214 kilometers from north to south and 2,933 kilometers from east to west. Okay, now next is land frontier. Land frontier is 15,200 kilometers and coastline. Okay, here land is given, land frontier and coastline. Here what is the meaning of coastline? The part of the land adjoining or near the sea. Okay, that is 7,516.5 kilometers. Okay, now neighboring countries. Okay, neighboring countries. India shares its political borders with Pakistan and Afghanistan on the west and Bangladesh and Myanmar on the east. The northern boundary is made up of the Xinjiang province of China, Tibet, Nepal and Bhutan. India is separated from Sri Lanka by narrow channel of sea formed by the Pak Strait and Gulf of Mannar. Okay, now landforms. Okay, the mainland consists of four well-defined regions. Okay, four well-defined regions. What are they? First one is the Great Mountain Zone. Okay, second is the Indo-Gangetic Plain. Third one is the desert region and fourth is the southern peninsula. Okay, now climate. Okay, let's discuss about the climate of our country. There are four main seasons which are recognized by the Indian meteorological department. Indian meteorological department. There are winter season, summer season, rainy season and the season of retreating southwest monsoon. Okay, and now the last one is official language. What is the official language of our country? It is Hindi. Hindi is official language of our country. Now look here at this corner. What is written over here? India is the second largest English speaking country. Second largest English speaking country in the world. And 125,226,449 numbers of English speakers. Okay. Okay students, thank you for watching video.